Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So S that is about capital 8. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next we have the second formula in here. This one that is about the power rule of the derivative. So this one s that is about s to the power of number 1. So we put number 1 go for n. So we put number 1 in here and here. After we do first derivative, so we have like this. So you got number 0 in here. S to the power of number 0, we have number 1. And you got number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.